Hey guys, today we are gonna show you guys our custom Pokeballs. Okay, I'll show you the first one. Here is the regular ball. Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. And next we have a rose ball. We just made the rose ball. It was today. And here it is.
The line kind of is messed up, but we don't really care.
Yeah. It's kind of wet still because we just painted it. And next we have the ultimate ball. Yeah. Last but not least, we have the great ball. Yeah, these are cool. We just found the balls, so we just picked them up, made them, painted them. And yeah, guys, so like and subscribe and try to find our channel. If you can't, we'll just, you just try to find it, okay? And bye!